soccer goals.
Oh, were those?
Megan, the water that I showed you at Hun is flowing like this across the soccer field, or the football field. Poor things! They're like totally like harassing.
This is back on Rosedale Road in Princeton. Kind of by the Johnson Park School. You can literally see where the sidewalk ends. And that's the Stony Brook over there. And actually, if you head back there into the woods a bit, there is a car. Let's see. It's hard to see from the road. It's about probably a good 50 yards in there. And according to the Asbury Park Press, there was a guy who was swept off the road and a rescue team had to come get him. And you can see all the water damage here too, going all the way back. Piece of the sidewalk. And if you head back into the woods, which is where we're going, this car is all the way back here. Sort of hidden at this point, but you can actually see that he must have gotten out through the sunroof and the back windows down as well. And the rescue team, according to the Asbury Park Press, also had to be rescued. I don't know much more than that at the present time. So that's the most damage we've seen so far. We've walked around a bit. That's all.